Hello, lovely people of Ghana. It's your boy again, Kofi Nyansa, and today, on the episode of Relationship Corner, we have our sub program Relationship Tips. Here, we give you tips and signs, tricks, and all as to how your relationship can do well and or how it's moving. And honey, a bet you. So, who said who said chess say, who said who said chess say, Beman, who is a chess on the nature. Ban way so is just in an inch say ni see a kyerɛ sɛ relationship na ɛkɔ yi say ni a kyerɛ sɛ Joe Johnny. We are going for a commercial break, and when you come back we are going to give you today's topic, that is 5 signs that shows that you are dating a mama's boy. As a woman, as a lady, as a girl, 5 signs that you are dating a mama's boy. Let's get it. Welcome back from the commercial break, and as you see, I have my phone. Once I'm on my phone, I say the ain't a video where and make and I could know we always take your questions, your suggestions, and how more, so we can also help you. Now to me I solve the problem. And then a problem and say a video sister be and they send there or say, how do I know I'm dating a mama's boy? My boy always runs to his mom for everything. Is he a mama's boy? How do I know I'm dating a mama's boy? My boy always runs to his mom for anything. Is he a mama's boy? Alright, so that is why we are doing this video today. And like we said, we promised we are giving you 5 signs that you are dating a mama boy, a mama's boy, or a mom's boy. So the first thing is that he always runs to his mom for everything, for any advice. He always runs to his mom before he can make any decision. So this is it. Advice is good. It is brilliant to seek for advice from mama, from brother, from friends and all that. But if he has to see his mother before making any decision, that's the first sign to know that you are dating a mama's boy. And paying for hoya mami momoni they have a lot of experiences nti say obusane mami asem once in a while near there and I say for decisions for adventure near there. That's not a bad idea at all. We all do that sometimes, but it doesn't have to be always. The best thing to me as Kofi Nyansa for I say on year and they say on the partner, one or the other, he is trying to say, I said, you are not capable of deciding anything. You are not say for giving him a better advice. And so that is the first thing. If he runs to his mom to make any decision or runs to his mom for advice before he makes any decision, that's the first thing. Now let's go to the second point. The second point is the most dangerous of all. If he does compare you with his mom, he's always doing that comparison. Me mami anka say, me mami anka say, me mami onye say, me mami ono aduane say, me mami onye say, me mami kra onsi me nneoma say, me mami na see me nneoma anka wabobo ato. If my mother had been the one to do this, would have done it this way, I'd done it that way. Forgetting that your training will be every new fear, and then you have different processes of doing stuff which could even arrive at the same point. But this gentleman or this person or this guy or this boy would be comparing you to his mother. My mother doesn't spend a lot of time doing this. My mother na prepare food where by 20 minutes time go away by way and go away. My mother na buy na way the hand quiet. That comparison is a no-no. That's the first. Another sign to let you know that you are dating a mama's boy, and that is dangerous. And I know a man they won't be comparison for her. And you, as you know, you ladies are very unique at your own point, and also you are very unique in your own situations and all. So you are very special. And if he keeps comparing you to his mom, my dear, he is a mama's boy. Now on the third point, that is a very wonderful point, but a silly one, of course. If he runs to his mother, if his mother gets to hear of anything happening to him before you do, sometimes they don't even tell you. You only even get to hear of it on phone. What is on my make? And I'm saying this, sometimes I'll go on board my name. One is on my make or phone, so on board my name. And then they share the problems, maybe be and no lady wants that. So that is another sign. And then even when you get to hear of it, whether by say or kasana or say and answer or not a boy money, now or share idea, he will still want to get that idea from his mother. A person my main can be and son or who say asem na or crowd can, even if the most dangerous of all, even if say ne maame deɛ na ɔka no ɛna wo deɛ no yɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ koraa na still na ne maame deɛ no yɛ better than wo. Asɛm asi Kojo, as a girlfriend mehu ne sɛ anka yɛdi kan ɛtɔ fridge ansa na yɛatɔ rice cooker anka bɛboa, because yɛtɔ rice cooker na yɛde no ɔnoma yɛde no aduane wie a yɛntumi preserve yɛbɛsɛ ne ade yɛntɔ fridge na ansa obekwa sa akobisa ne maame pese me to fridge any rice cooker dey na me to the first ne maame ka se to fridge na even though so di kan no obema ne maame dey na ye de ne maame be ma ne obema wo feel say ne maame ma no more reasons why he was supposed to get the fridge. My dear, you're dating a mama's boy. And then at the fourth point, my dear, if you're dating a mama's boy, his mom can do no wrong. His mom can do no wrong. Ne mami ni mistake da. Ne mami asem bi obeka bia ya mpa. Ne mami asem obeka bia na ye best. Ne mami asem obeka bia na ye nokre. His mom has no fault, can do no wrong. That is another sign. Getting to know that I'm dating a mama's boy. Into the asema ne mami kan no. Whether I say ne mami right and I say onye right. So na ne mami can do no. So you have people where sometimes, because of technology, but we have that idea. But old China so she said you say be moon. She said you say you me mammy say you say there be mammy de me mammy say those people who keep saying me mammy say this is the right way to do it. They are mommy's boys. They are mommy's boys. Last point for the day, but hey, that's not all the points. There are lots of them, but these 5 points I'm giving, every mama's boy have that trait. Let's go for the fifth one. That happens to be the last one. That we'll see if we can even add more. If not, we'll see you some other time with some more. The fifth one is he might even as well be living with a mother. Living with a mother, I mean in two folds. Because these guys are so pampered and then sports at a point, also very much attached to the mother. The mother even when they are living in the same house with their mothers and the mother travels, because almost everything he does, the mother, or everything he's supposed to do, the mother does for her, for him. You should know about free because even one master carriage no cry or to a free fee, he still finds himself running back to the house because his mother does everything for him. Into now without going back to the house or going back to the mother. So sometimes you still find yourself being alone because there's a